What's up guys, it's your girl Peacesent and here with me is my big brother Merit, also known as Dulce Brown.
Hi guys.
Merit, how do you feel as I'm going to change your facial look?
It's going to be crazy, you know, because I've always been anticipating how I look like as a girl.
Oh, that is nice.
Yeah.
Before I started this video, I never thought Merit is going to shave off his beard. I wonder how you react. So Merit, you're going to have to take off your beard.
My beard?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Do you know how long it took me to train this beard?
You can grow it back.
Well, I can give it a try. Let's go.
Yeah. What's up guys, we are back shaving his beard.
Yeah.
Merit, I think you look handsome with your beard shaved.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm damn serious.
Well, you know ladies love guys with beards. That's
No,
why I love keeping it.
If I were to be your girlfriend, I would love you this way.
Well, thank God you're my sister.
So let us know what you think in the comment section. If you look nicer without beards or with beards.
I know I will because a lot of ladies love guys without beards. So.
Nah, you look better this way. So I know you must be wondering who owns this award. It's not mine. I have only 2 subscribers. And I'm proud of it. Because Rome wasn't built in a day.
Sitting on my own, singing alone, dancing in the middle. Guess it's my jungle, and I'm on wing again. Why this dream in my brain? In this happy city, yeah. Happy city, and I'm wondering again, what is dreaming my brain in this happy city, well there is just me. Looking people around here, happiness is near. They smile in the corner, you should see the owner, the owner. And I'm on wing again. Why this dream in my brain? In this happy city, yeah. Happy city, yeah. And I'm wondering again, what is dreaming my brain in this happy city, well there is just me. Sitting on my own, singing alone, dancing in the middle. Guess it's my jungle, jungle. And I'm on wing again. Why this dream in my brain? In this happy city, yeah. Happy city, happy city. And I'm wondering again, what is dream in my brain? In this happy city, well, there is just me. Looking people around here, happiness is near. Smile in the corner, you should see the owner, the owner. And I'm on wing again. Why this dream in my brain? In this happy city, yeah. Happy city, yeah. And I'm wondering again, what is dream in my brain? In this happy city, well, there is just me. Sitting on my own, singing alone, dancing in the middle. Guess it's my job.
How does my brother look now? Comment down below if you like the makeup. So right now we're going to change his outfit so he look like he get more better.
Jungle, jungle. And I'm on wing again. Why this dream in my brain? In this happy city, yeah. Happy city, and I'm wondering again, what is dream in my brain? In this happy city, well, there is just me.
So I'm going to call my brother now to know if he recognize my elder brother.
Yeah.
So let me get my phone. Fine. I want to introduce you to my friend. I'm fine.
So what's going on there?
Nothing much. I'm just chilling with my friend. Want to see her?
Hi, how are you doing? Oh, I'm good, I'm good. What about you?
Her name is Rejoice.
Yeah, I'm Rejoice. What about you?
So you don't recognize her? Really? You can't recognize his face?
Yeah, he don't know me.
Jeez, we're playing a prank on you. This brother Mary. This brother Mary. Yes. We played a prank on you. As you can see, we've changed his dress. So I'm going to call another friend, that is his friend, to see if you recognize him. I hope he doesn't. Hello, Newton. I'm fine. So I want to introduce you to my friend. Oh, I'm chilling out with my friend, and I want to introduce you to her. Her name is Rachel.
Hello, how you doing?
Thank you. So you don't recognize her? Jeez!
Wow, you don't recognize me! Don't you know it's me?
So guys, I'll be doing a giveaway on the makeup kit I used today.
Yeah.
So guys, for you to be eligible to win this giveaway, there are 3 steps you have to follow. 1. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notification post. 2. Follow me on Instagram, and 3. Share this video to at least 3 friends.
The owner.
I'm sexy and I know it. 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 I'm sexy and I know it.
It's happy city, yeah. Happy city, yeah.